Okay, for today's video we're going to be showing you how to go in and create your contract status report that you will eventually give to a project manager, or you may be a project manager who will use this to build your numbers for your projected cost. We'll start by clicking on the Google Chrome icon to open the Chrome web browser, and then we will click on the Spectrum shortcut that gets us into the Spectrum software. Go ahead and log in. And this is our landing page, our dashboard. We're going to go to the contract status report. You'll navigate to that point by opening your sitemap, which is the plus tab beside your dashboard. And you're going to go to job cost. From job cost, you're going to go to reports. And from reports, you're going to go to contract status. Now, if this is a report you're going to go into frequently, you can go ahead before you click on contract status and click on the add to favorites, and you'll see that now I have the contract status report in my favorites. This is very useful if you're going into things regularly, or if you're not going into things very regularly but don't want to remember or navigate to them individually. So I'm going to go ahead and click on contract status, and this is where I enter my parameters for the report. I'm going to use everything default except for the job number. I'm going to use a range, and in this example I'm going to use 01C asterisk, and that's going to be all of the HECC jobs associated with a certain project manager. The one I'm going to use is Steve Young, so I'm going to put in his last name. And the last thing we have to fill in is the through period end date field. If you click the little calendar icon beside that, you can choose end of the prior period, and that way you won't have to remember months or anything like that. You can just go in and always click the end of the prior period, and it will go back to the last day of the previous month. Once all that is complete, again, the job, the project manager, and the range of dates, I'm going to click preview. It'll build the report. And here we have it. I'm going to go ahead and zoom that in a little bit for you. And this shows the two jobs he has in that period, contract amounts, all of the data that he needs to be able to work on his projected cost numbers. So one thing you can do is save it for use later, or you can go ahead and print this if you need a hard copy of that as well. And that is how we generate the contract status report. Thank you.